Good morning, TK. For our math objective today, let's get ready. Let's get our bodies ready. So eyes forward, ears listening, mouths are quiet, hands and feet are calm. We're going to try our best. So today, for our math, you are going to be able to count to 5. Let's roll out our objective. Ready? Say, I can write and count to 5. So I can write and count to 5. That's the first thing we're going to do. The other thing we're going to do is say, I can match. So we're going to bring together, we're going to match objects. Match objects that are the same but different. So we're also going to match objects, things that are the same but different. Right now we're going to start with step 1, which is we are going to count to 5. So join us in singing our song to count all the way to number 5. All right, TK, let's get our counting hands ready so we can count all the way to 5. And let's get ready to sing the song. All right, TK, let's get our counting hands ready so we can count all the way to 5. And let's get ready to sing the song.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom.
All right, TK, so we went counting up to 5. Let's get our fingers down like this, and we're going to start like opening up like a sunrise or like an opening flower. Ready? So let's count. 1, 2, do it with me. 3, 4, 5. 5. So today we counted up to 5. Tomorrow we're going to count up to 6, and that's where we're going to stop. All right, TK. So what you're going to need now is you're going to need your handout that has the number 5 on it, a pencil, a crayon, and also your bag with the counters, with our little counters. So go ahead and grab that, and then we will begin. All right, TK, so what we're going to do is grab our pencil and our handout, our crayons, and our counters. What you want to do first, every time we have a handout, we want to make sure that we write our name. So write your first name. Okay? So now that we wrote our first name, we're going to make sure we have our pencil, we're holding it correctly, and we're going to trace the number 5. We want to start right here. Do you see that? So we want to start right here, and we're going to go across, or we're going to go from right, we're going to go left, down. So left, down, curve. I think for the number 5, we're going to try that again because that one's a little harder to write. Ready? So put it, look where you're putting it, and we're going to go left, down, curve. You could even do that one more time. Left, down, turn. Okay, and then I'm going to erase my mistakes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try to write it. We're going to go to this box right here. Put your pencil on this side, and we're going to go left. Do that. Left, down. So we go left, down, and then we're going to curve. So we go left, down, curve. If you messed up, you could erase it and go back and practice tracing. Left, down, curve. Left, down, and curve. So that's how we write the number 5. Now we can trace the word, the name for the number 5. When I made a mistake, it's a little crooked. I can fix it. That's what we do in TK. We fix our mistakes. There we go. So go ahead and trace the number 5. So once you're done tracing and writing the number 5, if you need more practice, you can pause the video. We're going to now use our counters right here. So with our counters, we're going to count together. You can grab them and count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Practice counting. And next what I'm going to have you do is you can grab a crayon, any color you like. I think I'm going to use orange. And we're going to do tally marks to count to 5. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tally marks are lines. We go 1. So choose your crayon. Did you choose it? So when you're done choosing your crayon, join me and we're going to do 1. You see that? 2, 3, 4. And when we do 5, we're going to do a diagonal line. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready? 5 is a diagonal line like this. That's how we tally the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is it for our math work today, TK. We did count to number 5. That's part 1 of our math. Now we're going to do part 2 of our math. We're going to do a brain break before we do part 2 of our math. So let's get ready for that brain break. I will ask parents to take a picture of this handout with the work like this. And now let's get ready to talk about things that are the same but different.